Welcome. In this walkthrough, you'll learn how to create a Kanban board in Notion so you can see your work at a glance and move tasks smoothly from start to finish. A Kanban board is a visual system that organizes tasks into stages, often labeled to do, in progress, and completed. The goal is to help you focus on what matters right now, keep track of what's on deck, and quickly spot what's finished. We'll build one together from scratch, and by the end, you'll have a clean, functional board you can rely on every day. Start by opening the Notion page, where you want this board to live. This could be a project hub, a team space, or your personal dashboard. Once the page is open, click inside the main content area so your cursor is active. Notion uses /commands to quickly add different types of content, and you'll use one here to add the board. Type /, then the word board. As you type, a menu will appear with options. Choose either board, full page, or board, inline. Full page creates a dedicated board that takes up the entire page, which is ideal if the board is the main focus of the page. Inline places the board as a block within your existing content. Perfect when you want to add a board alongside notes, checklists, or other context. Pick the option that suits how you'll use it most often. Once the board is added, give it a clear, descriptive title. A good title makes it obvious what this board represents, such as marketing sprint, personal tasks, or client projects. Naming it thoughtfully helps you and anyone else using the page immediately understand its purpose and keeps your workspace organized. You'll see a few default columns appear on the new board. These columns represent the stages of your workflow. Rename them so they match the way you actually work. For a simple setup, you might use to do for tasks you haven't started, in progress for work underway, and completed for finished items. Click the column name, type your preferred label, and press enter. If your process uses slightly different language, adjust the labels accordingly. The key is to make each column a distinct stage so you always know what belongs where at a glance. Now it's time to add tasks. Under any column, click the New button to create a new card. Give the card a short, specific title that describes the task. Then open the card to add details. Use the description field to capture what needs to happen, any links or references you'll need, and concise acceptance criteria, so you'll know when the task is truly done. Add a due date to set expectations and keep time-sensitive work front and center. You can also apply tags to group tasks by theme, priority, or type of work. Keeping these details consistent helps you scan the board quickly and reduces back and forth later. Repeat this process for each task you want to track. If a task belongs in the backlog or is waiting for input, place it in your first column. If it's already underway, start it in progress. Don't worry about getting everything perfect on the first pass. The beauty of a Kanban board is that it evolves with your work. As you think of new tasks, add new cards. As you refine your process, update the descriptions or dates. Keep titles concise and details actionable, so moving through tasks stays straightforward. As you work, use drag and drop to update progress. When you begin a task, drag its card from to do to in progress. When you finish, move it to completed. This movement is the heartbeat of your board. It gives you instant visual feedback on where things stand, and it keeps your focus on the right set of tasks. If something gets blocked or needs to pause, moving the card back or leaving a quick note in the description makes the status clear without creating clutter. Continue managing your workflow visually using the board layout. Make it a habit to check the board at the start and end of your day. In the morning, scan your in progress column to pick up where you left off, then look at to do and choose what to start next. In the evening, move anything finished to completed and update details so tomorrow is easier. Over time, this daily rhythm turns the board into a reliable source of truth for your work. A few simple practices keep your board effective. Use consistent, meaningful titles for cards, so scanning is fast. Keep descriptions focused on what matters, and update them briefly when context changes. Set realistic due dates, and adjust them if priorities shift, so the board stays aligned with reality. With tags, stick to a short list that actually helps you categorize tasks, like priority or type of work, rather than overloading the board with too many labels. Finally, treat completed as a record of wins. Seeing progress build up is motivating and makes it easy to review what you've accomplished. That's all you need to create and run a Kanban board in Notion. Open your page, add a board with the / command. Choose full page or inline, title it clearly, rename the columns to match your workflow, add task cards with helpful details, and then move those cards between columns as work advances. Keep using the board to manage your day, and let the visual layout guide your focus. With this setup, you'll have a simple, powerful system to plan, do, and finish your work with clarity.